10th class student, exercise 13.4, surface areas and volume. Question number 4, a container could be container made of metal sheet. From first term of cone, height is 16 semi. Upper radius is 20, lower radius is 8 semi. We find the volume and also find the cost of milk and cost of to make the metal sheet. At first, find the volume. Measure of first term height is equal to 16 semi. Upper radius R1 is equal to 20 semi. Lower radius mean R2 is 8 semi. Volume of container, volume of first term 1/3 pi h bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. One upon 3 pi value is 3.14 and h value is 16. R1 is 20 plus 8 square plus 20 into 8. 16 multiplied by 314. 16 4 ja 64. 6 carry 22. 2 carry 50.24. Then 20 square is 400. 8 square is 64 plus 28 ja 160. 50.24 upon 3 into after plus is 624. 624 divide by 3. 3 2 ja after multiply डबल फोर 9.92 semi-cube volume of the first room. Change into liter 1000 semi-cube is equal to 1 liter. Capacity of container is equal to 10 4 9.92 upon 1000. Change into liter. Now find the cost of milk, rate of 20 rupees per liter. 20 into 1044 9.92 upon 1000. 10 by 1 divide by 2. 2 2 जा 4, 2 9 जा 18, 2 9 जा 18, 19, 9 8 2 0 upon 100 divide by 100. 0208.99 rupees of the milk. Second part is we find the metal used to make the container. At first, container use metal to make container is equal to pi bracket R1 plus R2 into L plus pi R2 square. Upper part is open, lower part is closed. At first, find the L. L square is equal to H square plus R1 minus R2 का square is formula. H is equal to 16 plus 20 minus 8 square, 16 square plus 12 square. L square is equal to 256 plus square of 16. 12 square is 144. After plus 400. L value is 400 and under root is 27. We find the L of 20. Then write the value 3.14 R1 is 20 plus 8, L value is 20 plus 3.14 into 8 square. 3.14 into 28 into 20 plus 3.14 into 8 into 8. After multiply, $17.1758.4 plus 200.96. After plus 19, after plus is 1959.36. Semi-square, use the metal to make the container. Cost of container, cost of metal, ₹8 per 100 semi-square. 1959.36 into 8 upon 100. After multiply, divide by 100 is 156.75 rupees spent to make the container. Question number 4 is complete. 5 question. 5 question is a metallic right cone is 20 centimeter high. That is could be figure 20 meter, 20 semi is height of the vertical angle is 60, 30 and 30. Complete angle is 60. Height divided into 2 equal parts. Cut the middle. After cut could be figure 10 semi above and 10 semi below. That is figure. We find the R1 and R2 use of trigonometry. Question number 5 is write the name A, B, C, D, E. Write angle at D and E. Cone height is equal to 20 semi. Cut at middle. In triangle AEB, we find the R1. Hypotenuse AB, base is equal to 10 and R1 EB is perpendicular. We want EB upon AE perpendicular upon base is equal to 10/30. EB value is R1 upon 10 is equal to 10. 30 value is 1 upon under root 3. Cross multiply, R1 will be 10 upon under root 3 semi. In right triangle ADC, DC upon AD is equal to 10/30. DC value is R2 upon AD will be 20. 10/30 value 1 upon under root 3. R2 value will be 20 upon under root 3 semi. Height is 10 semi. This part make a wire after melted length. To find the length of the wire, diameter is equal to 1 upon 16 semi. Volume of first term 1 upon 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. 1 upon 3 pi h value is 10. R1 value is 10 upon under root 3 square plus 20 upon under root 3 square plus 10 under root 3 into 20 under root 3. After squaring 1 upon 3 pi into 10, 110 square under root 3 is clear. After plus 220 square is 400 upon 3, 200 upon 3. 1 upon 3 pi into 10, LCM is 3, 100 plus 400 plus 200. After 3 3 is 9, 7, 1000 pi upon 9 semi cube will be volume of the first. Then find the wire diameter of wire, diameter of wire, shape is cylinder, wire shape is cylinder, 1/16 semi, R, then R will be 1600 to 1/32 semi. Let the length of height or length, let length is equal to x semi, then volume is equal to volume of wire cylinder is equal to pi r square. H is formula, pi r value 1/32 square into h value we find semi cube will be volume of the wire. According to question, both volume are equal. Melted pi into 1/32 into 1/32 into h, you can write the L, 7000 upon 3 upon 9 pi, h is equal to 7000 pi upon pi into 9 into 32 into 32, pi divided by pi. After multiply and divide by, seven 964 0.44 semi change into meter, 7964.44 meter. Thank you.